Hi, I'm Shen and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana, where I share hacks, tips and reviews on products just for mamas. So today I have a really cool hack for you. I'm going to show you how to easily reseal your food packaging like this so that you don't need clips or anything and food won't fall out and you can keep the contents fresher for longer. And if you've not subscribed to my channel already, I'd love for you to do so. Just click that subscribe button down below. So let's get straight into the tutorial right now. So before we get started, I just want to mention when you open your packaging, you want to open it as close to the top as possible so that you have more packaging to work with, okay? Okay, so to start with, you want to fold over one side into a triangle and then you fold over the other side. And then I like to fold the top down a little bit. And then you fold this all down to the center. Now, the most important bit is you need to grab on to the top bit of the bag. And then you grab onto the bottom part of the bag. You might even grip it so that you can pull them in closer to the center, okay? And then you have a very good tight grip on the whole packaging from the top to the bottom. And you have your thumb right here in the center of the top part of the bag, and then you grab the bag from the bottom and you flip this inside out and you push your thumb here right up to the top as much as you can, shoving some packaging up there so that you have a very good seal, and then nothing will fall out at all. Okay, and I'll show you again the packaging. Okay, so I like to fold the front down and then front, okay, and then the other side down, and then I fold this down into center. I fold this down into center again. Okay. So I put my finger up to the top part, I grab the first layer of the packaging, and then I grab the other fold, pulling it into the center, put my thumb here, grab the packaging with my two fingers here, pull the packaging from the bottom and push my thumb up to the center. The more you push the packaging up into the center, the more secure your fold is. So nothing will fall out and it is a very tight seal. So I actually use this with all my empty food packaging where I dump my cloth diaper liners in to these bags. So I keep all my empty food packagings so that they can be reused for poo bags, essentially. If you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. It'll let me know to keep making videos like this. And please do subscribe to my channel down below. I actually have another video on how to reseal freezer food packaging. I will link that in the description box down below and I'll include it in a box around here, okay? But again, your food will be super secure. So until the next video, thank you very much for your time. So goodbye.